Hi, my name is Chloe Thompson. I'm a ninth grader from Sale High School, and I am working as an intern for WFSU and Apalachee Audubon. During my internship, I will be helping with a few of the projects that are happening around Lake Elberta. But one of the things I'm going to be doing is organizing a trash cleanup to help clean up this beautiful park. I wanted to help the community. That was something I really wanted to do. So even after I'm done being an intern here, I still made an impact of sorts. It's not like just me sitting around for 4 months and not doing anything. I thought that this internship would really help me see all the ins and outs of things, and that there's more than just a beautiful park to look at. There's more than just to walk around and see the things. You can actually help make the earth we have, a better place, because I want to live here as long as possible.